Today we are going to be discussing our amazing Carotene Essentials line. Our Carotene Essentials product line was introduced in 2015 and has been an amazing product development for us. I'm going to explain to you in detail about why carotene is essential for beautiful skin. We're going to discuss the amazing Carotene Essentials products to learn the skin types and conditions for which they are most appropriate. We will discuss the main ingredients that make these products so exceptional. I will thoroughly describe the results that our guests can expect from these amazing products and, of course, assist with the verbiage of adding these items to your guest's at-home skincare regimen. Our Carotene Essentials products are categorized into Carotene Essentials and Carotene Essentials Rich. The Carotene Essentials products include our gel mask and regular moisturizer, and they are ideal for our dehydrated guest with premature vitamin deficient skin. It is appropriate for a sensitive guest and is a lovely treatment pre-sun. This guest will benefit from the beta-carotene and other nurturing and regenerative effects. Our oil and water deficient guest with premature or mature skin will benefit greatly from our Carotene Essentials Rich products. This guest is vitamin deficient, she may be sensitive or even have a sunburn. Our Carotene Essentials Rich mask also makes a beautiful eye treatment. This guest will have calmed and soothed skin that is charged with vitamins and antioxidants after using these products. Carotene Essentials Rich will stimulate our collagen and regenerates our skin, making it lovely anti-aging for our guest. Now, I've mentioned that these products include beta-carotene supplements for our skin's health, but what exactly is beta-carotene? Carotenes are fat-soluble pigments, often orange, red, or yellow, that are responsible for the colors of certain fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Beta-carotene refers to a specific type of carotene that is a provitamin A. It is an orange pigment that converts into vitamin A in our system. Vitamin A normalizes skin functions. It thickens and stimulates the dermis, reducing wrinkles and increasing blood flow to the surface of the skin. Vitamin A repairs the cellular structure of the epidermis and promotes a healthy cellular membrane. Prevention Magazine lists vitamin A as the #1 vitamin as best overall age fighter in its article 5 Best Vitamins for Beautiful Skin. Vitamins B, C, and E also made their list, and guess what? All of those vitamins, plus K and bioflavonoids, are also included in our Carotene Essentials products. Carrot is one of the first ingredients we think of when we think of carotene. Carotenes are very rich in beta-carotene as well as vitamins B, C, and K. They are also a source of potassium, which is the third most abundant mineral in the human body. Potassium is extremely helpful throughout our bodies to maintain normal growth, build protein, and help break down carbohydrates. In our skin, it works to help our skin cells stay hydrated and moisturized. Calendula is another active ingredient in our Carotene Essentials products. Calendula is extremely regenerative. It helps to increase our blood flow, stimulate our immune system, and hydrate. It is also anti-inflammatory, so it's a wonderful ingredient to have in this line. Cantaloupe is another one of the main actives in Carotene Essentials. Its rich pectins help with skin radiance. It also contains magnesium, which is the fourth most prevalent mineral in our skin. Enzymes that regulate cell replication and repair need the strong antioxidants in magnesium in order to perform. Potassium and vitamins C, E, and K are also present in cantaloupe. Sorb apple is the fourth of the main active ingredients in our Carotene Essentials products. Sorb apple is actually a berry. It is naturally anti-inflammatory, rich in vitamin C, and it also retains its own moisture levels even in the harshest of winter conditions. So it's a phenomenal ingredient to include in this product to help us retain moisture in our skin. Our Carotene Essentials products include a gel mask, a rich mask, a moisturizer, rich moisturizer, body wrap, and body lotion. All of those items except for the wrap are available for retail. The Carotene Essentials Gel Mask and Moisturizer are ideal for our guest who is dehydrated and has premature vitamin deficient skin. These products contain our active ingredients in a formulation meant to nurture and regenerate skin while recharging with vitamins and antioxidants. Our Carotene Essentials Rich Mask and Rich Moisturizer are for our dry guest who has deeper layer water and oil deficient skin. Premature and mature guests with vitamin deficiencies will benefit from the rich products. These options soothe sensitive skin, including sunburn, and the mask makes a wonderful eye treatment. Your guest's skin will be firmed and calmed while the active ingredients hydrate and vitalize with vitamins, antioxidants, and beta-carotene. Our hydrating and anti-aging beta-carotene-rich Carotene Essentials products are available for facials, manicures and pedicures, as well as body treatments. Our Carotene Essentials line comes in a beautiful body wrap with similar formulations to our Carotene Essentials Rich Mask and also in a luxurious body lotion. Now, in past YouTube videos, I have demonstrated a Carotene Essentials facial treatment. So if you'd like more information on protocol, please take a peek at that video. However, I don't currently have a treatment video demonstrating our body protocol, so I'd like to take the next few minutes to detail how one would use our products for a body wrap. For our body treatments, all of our protocols may be used in either a wet room or a dry room. I will discuss each variation. You will need with you a fresh set of sheets in addition to the sheets on the table, a warming blanket and/or a mylar wrap. You may use a body brush to dry brush the guest or even a large brush for product application. Personally, I prefer to use my hands. You will also need several warm steam towels for product removal if you're in a dry room. Now, to properly perform this treatment, you will want to prepare your products in advance. You will need approximately 1 ounce of yogurt power peel. Of course, depending on the size of your guest, you may need more or less. You'll want to set aside 1 to 1.5 ounces of the Carotene Essentials body wrap. I like to put mine in a little rubber bowl and put it in the warm towel, in the towel warmer, so that it's a nice soothing treatment to put on the skin. You will use approximately 2 to 3 teaspoons of the Carotene Essentials body lotion, which I recommend leaving in the pump bottle for easier use. If you choose to extend the lotion application step in this body treatment, extend it into a massage, you'll also want your Soothing Herbs body oil nearby to blend with the body lotion for a little bit easier, smooth application during a massage. To begin our treatment, we recommend that your guest lie face down. You may use a dry brush over their skin prior to product application, or you may simply begin by applying the yogurt power peel to the guest's backs and the backs of her legs. Once you have applied the peel to the entire backside, you will layer the Carotene Essentials body wrap treatment mask over the yogurt and then ask your guest to turn. Once your guest has turned face up, you will begin with a dry brush again, continue with the yogurt power peel application, and complete the application step with the Carotene Essentials body wrap. You'll then wrap your guest in sheets and the warming blankets for the affecting period. During that affecting period, which is usually 15 to 20 minutes, you want to perform a relaxing scalp massage for your guest. We never want to leave our guest alone in the room, so we always want to make sure that they are aware that we are in there with them and that they are continuing to be pampered even while the body treatment wrap is penetrating their skin. After the affecting period, we'll want to remove the wrap, of course, and there are different removal steps based on whether you're in a wet room or a dry room. For your wet room options, you may unwrap your guests from the blankets and ask them to step into the shower while you step out of the room for a few minutes. During their shower, this is a great time to change the sheets on the table to the fresh sheets. If your wet room is a Vichy shower, you will unwrap the guest and begin to rinse the products from them using the overhead shower heads and your handheld wand. For our dry room options, you'll begin by unwrapping your guest from the blanket cocoon and remove the wrap and peel using warm, damp towels. Begin with the arms and the décolleté and move down to the abdomen and legs, unwrapping the guest as you go. Before your guest turns, you may begin the hydration step. That way, you're not having your guest turn over multiple times throughout the service. So you will apply the lotion and then have the guest turn over. You'll then repeat the removal and the hydration on the backside. Now, if you are extending your lotion application step into a massage, I recommend removing the wrap from the guest's front side first, lifting each leg to remove the wrap from the backs of the legs, slipping the soiled sheets out from beneath them. Have your guests sit up to remove the products from their back while you complete the sheet removal, and have them lay back down onto a fresh sheet or towel. This way, you've removed the entire wrap from their body, front and back side, without having them flip over. You will begin the massage on their arms and décolleté area, moving to the legs and feet before having them turn. You'll complete the massage on their back. Now remember, with any body treatment, your guest's privacy is of utmost importance. Please be sure to maintain proper draping throughout the entirety of your body treatment. As with all services performed, your therapist must be prepared to make suggestions for your guests' at-home care. Your guest has just received a beautifully relaxing and hydrating body treatment. It is our job to make sure they understand how to maintain these results at home. Obviously, a body lotion is a lovely option to suggest. You may also recommend facial moisturizers or masks in our Carotene Essentials line if they're appropriate. Our treatment masks are fabulous for facial use, of course, but they can also be used on other areas of the body, such as feet. So don't be afraid to recommend a facial mask during a body treatment. If your retail boutique includes a dry brush, this would also be a great suggestion. Any aromas used during the treatment, for example, essential oils from awakening rituals or any candles that you may have burning in your treatment room, can also be wonderful ways to allow your guests to take their spa experience home with them. Don't be afraid to suggest. Thank you for your attention today with our Carotene Essentials product line. Thank you for attending the webinar. We here at Alika truly appreciate your partnership. I hope you've enjoyed today's presentation and feel confident with our amazing Carotene Essentials products. Please feel free to contact me with any questions that you may have, and remember to always live beautifully.